Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates and as well as interview tips, career guidance in our channel. If you have come first time in our channel, you can subscribe because we provide quality content. You will not find this type of interview tips in other channels, so you have to subscribe in our channel. And let's start this video. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about HackerRank careers, HackerRank off-campus software engineer, intern hiring position, all the details I will share in this video. What is the it is a paid internship or not, how to apply this, all details I am going to discuss. Stay tuned and watch the video till end. And if you really find this video not helpful, then you can dislike this video. Otherwise, if you find this helpful, you can like this video. So let's start. So they are hiring basically for the Bangalore Karnataka position. As of now, you have to do remote within the India. Remote work you have to do. So basically, they are hiring the students who have great skill in coding, and you have to solve two challenges for this cracking this engineer intern position. So first, I want to discuss about what your life will be happen as an intern in Hacker Rank. So each one of you will be paired with a mentor who will support you through the internship. You will get to push your code to production, contribute to the meaningful real world projects. You will get definitely experience in working these type of real time projects, whether you are graduating and seeking a full time position after your internship or hoping to return for another internship next year. You will be considered for a returning offer during your internship. So after completion of your internship, you will be getting a returning offer, okay, from Hacker Rank. So it's a very good opportunity. Transparent communication will be the key metrics. So you have to direct access to the employees in the company. So you get design your own internship pages with your batch, glance through the previous years pages, like you can check these pages like 2019 summer. If you have a look, then those interns have already worked with HackerRank. So these are their experience. They have worked in the software development life cycle. So you can check their details there. If you want to connect with them, LinkedIn, and you can get to know about this internship opportunity in HackerRank, you can do that thing. I will prefer to say you or prefer to suggest you that try to connect with them. So basically, what are the steps for applying this internship in HackerRank? So basically, there are three steps. First one will be solve three challenges which will be present in the HackerRank website. So this is the internship website, internship challenge solving website. You have to sign up first, and if you want to get the details, then obviously you need to sign up. Then within if you sign up in this page, then they will share with you the details about the code directly from their platform. Need to be happen. 30 languages are available. These are the rules. All submissions are run through a plagiarism detector. Obviously there will be camera enabled, webcam enabled while you are giving the exam. Please provide any rules for the contest here. Scoring, like each challenge has a predefined score, okay. So if you solve one challenge, you are getting some predefined score. A participant score depends on the number of test cases the participant submission successfully passes. The participants are ranked by the scores. Okay, if two or more participants achieve the same score, there is a tie broken by the total time taken to submit the last solution, resulting in higher score. So that is the strategy for by which they are just evaluating the challenge or the challenges. You have to solve three challenges in that page. No time to limit the solve these challenges. You can translate the questions to any language that is available in that website. This round is not intended to understand your dynamic programming or BFS DFS skills. They need to ensure that you can code simple programming challenges before we consider you for the next round. So don't expect too much tough question, okay. There will be definitely small easier question for you to clear the challenge. So after clearing that challenge, you need to create your resume through hackerresume.com website. Okay, so in this website you need to create your resume in this format. Then just click on create resume. Then you need to sign up or create your account there. Otherwise you can log in with your Google address also, Google email ID also. So after creation of your resume, you need to upload that resume in the portal. That is there. Why they are asking the resume in that format? Because the resume they actually reviewed by their CTO of HackerRank. So they accepts in this well designed resume bias format. Okay, so that's why they have prepared this portal where you need to prepare your resume. So they will pick the best resume template there, and you have to follow some best practices from the resume book also. You can get the idea. So after completion of your creation of your resume, you need to upload in the HackerRank resume page. So there you need to upload there your resume. So if you have any question, you can write to the internship queries at the rate hackerrank.com. If you have any doubt, someone will definitely answer to your question. So there is one apply sign with LinkedIn. So they have mentioned that don't use the apply via LinkedIn option. They are not accepting through LinkedIn. As of now, they are hiring through their website. So some frequently asked question, they have already mentioned that it is a 6 months opportunity, 6 months full-time internship. It was mentioned in the starting of the page, and it is a paid internship. Yes, it's a paid internship. Is it a remote or in-office internship? It is a remote full-time internship. If you are in the second year of college, can you apply? Uh, or is only for the final year students? Anyone with the skill set mentioned above can apply. Be it the first year student or already graduated, they are looking at someone with the right skill set and passion. Okay, so just I'm showing you the application form. You need to fill up your first name, last name, email ID, phone number, your location, your resume here, which you have created through create resume or the hackerresume.com portal. That resume you need to upload here, and few questions you need to answer here. Your LinkedIn profile you can submit here. If you don't have LinkedIn profile, you need to create your LinkedIn profile before applying this. Then you need to submit your application. So this is the small steps. Very good opportunity. Salary or the internship payment will definitely very good, 3 LPA minimum. And for the 6 months you are getting a chance to join a product based company, HackerRank. So I will suggest to join them, because after completion of your internship you will get a full time offer from them. And in that offer you can't expect what amount of salary they will provide you, because it's a product based company. So you can expect minimum 8 to 10 LPA. Okay, so all the best guys, try to apply. Last date is not mentioned. So basically the full time internship will happen from January 2022 to June 2022. So if you are fully available full time for this entire duration only, then you need to apply. Okay, so that's the all things I need to discuss with you. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video. If you really find this helpful, please subscribe our channel and hit the like button, because it gives us motivation and you will get latest notification when we will update in our channel. Thank you.